Can an LLC get a mortgage? Yes, an LLC can get a mortgage, especially if the property is being purchased for business or investment purposes. Many real estate investors use LLCs to buy and hold properties because it provides liability protection and keeps business assets separate from personal assets. However, mortgages for LLCs often come with stricter requirements than personal home loans. Lenders may ask for a larger down payment, higher interest rates, detailed financial records, and proof that the LLC has the income to cover loan payments. In many cases, lenders also require a personal guarantee from the LLC's members, especially if the business is new or has limited credit history. Having an LLC purchase property can make sense for rental properties, commercial real estate, or investment homes, but it is less common for primary residences. Zen Business can help you form an LLC so you're ready to structure real estate purchases with liability protection. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.